2, 1. To the honorable of the adjudicators, the committee, and the competition. My name is Laudina Farayan as the first speaker from the government team. First of all, the motion for today's debate will be, this House believes that robots can help increase people's quality of life. And first, I would like to go in depth about the actors that will be performing throughout this debate. First of all, will be humans. Human is a living being that can't live independently because human constantly needs help. And second actors will be robots. Robots are artificial intelligence, which means they're not a living being and their intelligence is artificial or made by human itself. And now, the issue here is that the reason why this motion existed at the first place because human created robots to help the human daily needs itself. But many people still doubted it and disagreed that robots can help increase people's quality of life. But the solution to that is they needed to be more used to the robot because we live in a globalization era where almost everything is connected with technologies. We don't live in medieval era. And our stance is very clear. Since we already gave you the issue why this motion exists, then the team who will win this debate is the one who can provide the better solution for the issue. Our arguments will explain our solution be good for the issue. First of all, the opposition team might say that robots can steal human jobs. But the fact is, many people who want to be hired the job they intended to work at does not have enough experience for the job itself. And due to the fact many people rather use AI than people who can't work effectively at the job itself. That's it from me. Thank you very much.